Hello everyone, welcome to KB Auto Project. Today we are doing a couple installs. First off, we're doing a catch can in the BMW, and we're doing an oil sump pump in Brandon's Subaru. So we're going to get started on that. Really cool stuff. So with that, let's get started. Alright. Okay, so I just wanted to point out, this is the catch can system. It comes with the bracket, or 3 Allen keys here. These, which screw on. These come with it too. Our actual catch can. And then we got 2 bolts, this bracket, and our hoses here. One thing I wanted to point out that I noticed, I saw this part, I'd say almost a year ago. And when I watched an install guide, they actually had O-rings that went on these Allen keys here, on these Allen screws or whatever.
Washers.
Well, they were like little O-rings.
Oh.
Mine didn't come with that, so obviously it's been redesigned to not need those. So if you buy one of these and you don't get that, don't worry. Obviously, they did some changing around, so no big deal. But we're going to install this in the car now. We also ran into another thing I realized is that our strut tar bolts will have to come off as well. I know some people say when you take these off, you should put new ones in. We're not going to do that today. We'll probably do that later when I install an actual strut bar in here. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and reuse the old ones. Because I don't know, I read it in a forum somewhere that if you remove these strut bolts, you should buy new ones.
I mean, I can see it.
But I think it'll be okay, honestly. So
we'll find out.
We'll find out. All right. Get over here. So, another thing I thought I should point out. So, if you do want to install a strut bar, what I would probably do is install your strut bar first, then install your oil catch can over top, because what the problem you're going to have is if you install the catch can first, you're going to run into the issue of, well, here's your catch can sitting here, and it's not gonna. You're not gonna have the same like. See, you're gonna have that thickness here. It's not gonna be the same over there, so it's not gonna be balanced. So I would install the strut bar first if you have a strut bar. If you're getting one, install your strut bar, then put this over top of that, then put in your new strut bolts. There you go. Tip of the day.
I was trying to hold that in so I didn't interrupt the video.
But yeah, then you can just pull these out.
When are you gonna get a strut bar?
I really don't. I do want to get a strut bar, but the one I'm looking at is $120. We'll get there eventually. This is just a little nubby thing. Yeah, this will be fun to do too when we also install
Coilovers?
Coilovers, yes. We'll go ahead and orientate this on. Should sit. See how that's a good fitment there. That should be okay. See, now you want to have enough clearance under here to also be able to get an Allen key, because see, this just doesn't twist off. There's an Allen key on the bottom of it.
Oh.
In order for you to take the cap off. So I have enough room to do that. But that should work just fine. Where did I put them damn things? Let's go ahead and get those threaded in. Yeah, I wonder if even, well, they're pretty long, but I wonder if there'd be even enough room for both a strut bar and this, because I was thinking about that too.
The thing is, if you're gonna get new ones anyway, you can get longer bolts.
That's the thing, I don't know.
These are...
I don't even know, what is this thing on here? It's kind of like the ones we have at work where they don't come off. They're like the SEMS bolts we have at work.
Yeah.
I like those where the washer doesn't come off, so.
Well, the thing is, if you order new ones, I would assume they come with new washers. If they're not going to come off, then you can't put them on yourself.
Oh, that's what I'm saying though. Getting longer ones, I don't know if you can just go and get longer ones. We'll just go ahead and keep those loose for now. But there we go, sitting right there. Looks pretty good.
Should we hook everything up before we tighten it down?
Yeah, everything. If you want to hook everything up and then tighten it all down.
So we'll put the entire engine back together. We can get to that with the intake on.
Yeah. All right, so we've gotten to the point where we've taken the CCV coupling here off from our engine and inlet pipe. So now what you got to do is you want to take a heat gun, heat around this area here, and you're going to pull this end off, and then you're going to do the same thing to this side and pull this end off. You'll want to heat up around the same little area here, and this will come off, and then your new hoses will attach to that. Now, one thing is, be careful taking this off, obviously, because you know what we've done is we've chipped our O-ring here a little bit. This is kind of old and brittle a little bit, so yeah, might want to clean that off too.
Same with that.
Yeah, we'll take a little heat gun. Go ahead and peel this back. Go ahead and get that heated up so I get that glue on there loose, and not too much. You don't want to melt it. Yeah, see, now this is gonna want to. Ooh, it's warm quick. Peel that back. That gets hot. Brandon, I don't have my gloves here with me today.
Twist it off.
Just like that.
Same with the other side.
There's one side. I might want to stick that in a clean area. It's hot. a little hotter than what we wanted to get it. But oh, hope I don't need that. Just ripped it. Should melt on there. Just ruined a perfectly good part.
Yeah, that would suck.
Oh, it kind of suck. Let's put that on low. So good even heat around that. Oh, that's pretty warm. I think I brought this thing, huh? Because we're gonna do our stickers too.
Yeah. I have a cleaner in my car.
Yeah, I'll need that. Nice heat on there. Alright, that's getting pretty warm, I feel.
What? I think that
Should be good?
Funny. Yeah.
Ooh, way plenty. Whew! Alright, got that a little too hot. I don't have gloves. Give me some gloves, man! There you have it. Comes off like that. And again,
Got some smoke.
a little warm. A little warm. Okay, so what we did is, this is the bolt that came off the heat shield. You want to remove that, put this bracket there, and put that bolt back on the bracket. Pretty simple. Get that tightened down. Well, not all the way tight, because you need to put your bolts up here yet. Your bolts that come with this. Yes, I think yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead and get those on there. SOS.
With a text message.
I think these are Allen's too. They're not the same size that I was using.
Well, let's
But they don't have to be on there tight right now.
say I think they're okay for now. We can hook everything up and then tighten that down and then tighten this down.
You're okay for now.
Oh yeah.
I got a feeling that was supposed to sit on there a little more flush. But I think the way it's on works.
It'll work.
Let's just make sure that we're not being retards here. Oh no. That's what happens when I start having a bunch of stuff around me. I just start going off the wall.
Well, like 4 things.
Brandon is the best.
Oh, they should probably do that. It's the one thing that sucks about filming videos is no music.
Yeah,
Unless
sucks.
you want background noise.
Yeah.
See, that's on there pretty tight, so they must be. It must allow you. Am I not doing something right here?
Is there should be washers on the bottom, right? Or nuts?
Brandon.
Let's do.
Brandon. See, here's the problem, Brandon. Is like, you gotta follow directions.
Hey. This is all you.
Is it a problem if I can't get these off now?
Okay.
Oh,
So, you want to explain what you did wrong?
Okay, so this bracket goes underneath. This longer bracket goes underneath your main bracket here. Then the screws go on top. Then your heat shield bolt goes over top like so. You know, make sure you keep it all loose and tighten it all at the end. Not like me where I start installing stuff all willy-nilly and Oh, what do you know? It don't fit. See, and then we get more playroom here too, so you kind of get a feel for where you want things.
You guys get a lot of viewers?
We're getting so many views, it's not even funny.
Actually, on one video we are.
Yeah, we're doing small time right now. Yeah, we have one video where we have like 400 plus views, but
And it keeps growing.
we need more of you guys to watch the channel.
That's gonna be the channel intro video now.
All right, so we got these hoses in now. Only problem is I don't have the hose clamps, or my kit didn't come with hose clamps. I'm not sure which. I'm pretty sure I grabbed all the parts though. So now the real question is also, is this going to fit? Yeah, we'll find out. I had a feeling this is not gonna work very well. I got a feeling. Oh, Brandon, I didn't tighten that one down.
Oh, why not?
Because I'm forgetful, okay? ADHD.
Same.
That's no excuse, but... Is that good enough?
I think so.
It's already on there pretty good, so... Alright. Well, there you have it. There is the oil catch can installed in the BMW. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. So, that's done. Now, are we going to go right into...
So we can do a separate video for mine.
We'll do a separate video.
Yeah. So we have one
Well, I would
for...
say should
Well,
I do...
now you can tell them now it added 35 horsepower.
Yeah.
Yeah, just adds. Okay, so I was thinking about the rear reflectors though. I should just go into just filming that really quick.
If you want. Do we gotta take your bumper off?
Yeah, I don't know if I want to do that.
We can wait.
I can wait till like next
Summer.
Okay,
Spring.
I can probably do that in the back of my garage quick too, so it's no big deal. Okay, so we got the oil catch can installed from Mishimoto. Looking pretty good. I think the install went pretty well. I think everything's gonna work right. So, with that, that's my part today. So, 35 more horsepower. Anyway, that's all I have today for you guys. So if you liked the video, hit that like button, get subscribed. Thanks and shout out to Mishimoto for making this video possible. Also, big shout out to McCord's Auto Shop here and making this video happen and helping us out with all these tools and supplies and heat and the shop. So thank you. And yeah, see you in the next one.